Hi guys, it's Kaushik from Mr. Tech Trek. I haven't found a video review on these speakers, the Edifier R19U, so I thought this video might be useful to help you make a purchase decision. First, the looks. They are pretty elegant to look at but not funky that can grab attention, but they look simple and they easily fit into any kind of setup. The build quality is solid and the wood finish of the body is visually appealing. If I see any item in wood accent, I like it. Come on, who doesn't like wood? The speakers are itself designed keeping the listening experience in view, and they have provided an angle which directly shoots the audio towards your ears. And also there's a rubber kind of thing which helps in isolating the sound and not rumble the bass on which the speakers are sitting. The speakers can be plugged into the audio port, or you can use the USB to power this thing up and also carry the audio through it, which helps reduce one extra cable and improves the audio listening experience. It's always awesome when company gives you options. This speaker has an aux input and a aux cable is provided in the box so that you can plug in your phone to the speakers and play the music from your phone library. And the audio quality, oh man, they are great. They say they have balanced sound profile and they truly are. They are 70mm drivers and they lived up to my expectations. I had a Creative 4.1 speaker setup, but this one is far better than my previous one. Yes, I don't need a subwoofer here cause the low ends are really perfect and you'll have it when you need them. And the audio quality is crisp and clear. You can go to the highest volume and you'll hear very less distortion. And it can't be said for all the speakers at this price tag, and the loudness is perfect for the size of these. Yes, there is a little bit of crackling sound when in high volumes, but not really noticeable. The knob on the front is very useful to switch on and off the speakers and increase the volume, and I find it not to be very accurate. I mean, there aren't a lot of volume levels, but that's a very small issue for me because I either play them with 60 to 70% volume and it's really loud already, but it would have been nice to see more precise volume levels. Now the biggest problem I have with this one, or that I observed, is the left speaker outputs less volume than the right one. I first thought the problem is with the equalization on my computer, but it's not. Changing the equalization settings on the computer will not change anything. Everyone might not notice it. In fact, my brother didn't notice it at first but accepted that after listening very carefully. Except for that problem, this one is a perfect buy for the functionality and quality sound it produces for the price. If you have any question regarding anything, ask me in the comments section. I'll respond you quickly there. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.